Another video. Today we have the fuel lithium brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver complicated 2 tool with the rotary tool. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help us out by doing so. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we got the fuel impact driver, we got the fuel drill driver, I believe it's the hammer. Yep, it's the hammer. So this is one of the better tools. You got a bag, a charger, a big battery, and a small battery. I believe the big one's a 4. And then you get a free rotary tool. So definitely check it out. This is a great deal. Big shout out to Stan the Man for pointing this out. This is $229. So $229 with the free tool. So $229 total for everything. You have attachment here. You can choose. Let's see, it says attachments with rotary tool. You could choose a 6 amp hour battery. You could choose a 6. You could choose a circular saw. You can choose pretty much anything that you want. Still, well, some of them are gonna be higher in price. So just see, these are higher in price. But if you search, let's see here, the rotary tool, you go back to the rotary tool, it should be cheaper. All right, we'll just choose the ratchet, see what gives us. All right, so $229. So you can choose a whole bunch of different combinations. Don't forget to, I'll leave the link up above to the deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. The link will be down in the description section.